If you've ever needed a sleek, professional ID card and didn't know where to start, this quick guide is going to make your day. Today, I'm walking you through how to design a fully customized ID card in Canva using the updated 2025 tools. No design experience needed. Start by opening Canva on your device. On the homepage, go straight to the search bar and type ID card. You'll instantly see a variety of ready-made templates with different layouts and styles. Browse through and pick the one that fits your brand or purpose best. Once you've chosen a template, click on it and select Customize this template to enter the editor. This is where all the editing happens. Double-click any text field to replace it with your own details. Name, designation, company, ID number, or anything else you need. Canva gives you plenty of font options, so choose something that's readable and fits the look you're going for. Next, add your photo. In the left panel, click on Uploads, bring in your image, and drag it right into the photo space on the card. Make sure the photo is clear, well lit, and centered. This makes a big difference in how professional it looks. Now, bring everything together with color. You can adjust the color scheme of backgrounds, shapes, or text to match your brand or organization. Canva's color tools make it super simple to keep your design clean and consistent. Take a final look at the layout. Check for alignment, spacing, and any typos. When you're happy with the result, head to the top right and hit Download. Choose the format you need, like PNG or PDF, and your ID card is ready to print or use digitally. And that's it, your custom ID card designed in minutes without any hassle. If you found this helpful and want more Canva tutorials, stick around for more guides just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.